So for everyone, today we are going to see about downloading and reprocessing the data. So if you are new to this channel and if you don't know that what is going on, then this is actually the hands-on machine learning with Scikit-Learn, Keras and TensorFlow. We are actually reading the book just you can say just line by line, of course, because we don't want to miss anything. And the video is actually releasing on the alternate days so that you will have one day to process the things and doing things on your own. So, yeah. So today we are going to do it. And if you haven't watched the video, if you haven't watched the previous videos, so just go link in that playlist actually. So just you will just go and here you can just follow it. You can see that here are the 6 lectures already there. So you can just start from here and the videos are coming uh, repeatedly on daily basis, on alternate daily basis. So you can just access it from here. So yeah, let's go on the go on this thing. So actually, we are going to download the data, and in typical environments, your data will be available in relational database or some data store. Okay, so it will be in table, documents, or files. So you have to just download the file. Now, so we are going to download. Actually, we are working on a project. As I have mentioned in the previous video, that we are working on a project. So first step is going to be first step was to frame the problem and ask the basic questions that what is needed. And second thing is the downloading the data. So with data we will be able to do various iterations and doing things more. So let's go and just search Google Colab. So I mean, in the previous video, I have introduced the Google Colab also. So you can just go here and you can see, just make a new notebook. So I'm zooming it for you and I'm just copying it. I am copying it and I will just paste it here. I hope it is visible to you. So actually Google Colab is something you can say that it is a Jupyter notebook. Okay. It is a Jupyter notebook and pen text classification. Okay, I am just opening it because I have done it before. So actually, I will also share this Google Colab notebook below. Okay, actually, I haven't. Okay, let's do it again. Uh, First, I will just paste the codes in the chat GPT because there are some syntax issue. Give me this code with proper syntax. So actually, I am giving it because it was not in the proper syntax. So by copying it, okay, it was in the syntax, but after copying it, it was not. So okay, I will just run it. Now, what will does that it is actually from the Google, so it will actually connect with the GPU and CPU uh, on the Google servers. You can see here the RAM is 12.7 and disk is 107.7 GB. Okay, so here we have just downloaded it and you can just see that the housing is there. So you will just do, we will be seeing this thing housing dot header. So you can see here the that there is a longitude, latitude, and housing median is total rooms are there. A lot of things are there. You can see here. Okay. Now, so here it is showing that view recommended plots. You can also click here, and it will actually generate the various plots. Okay, you can just click here and do anything. So it is actually generating some various instances. It actually AI is integrated in it. So in the next video, we will be visualizing it more, but we are just doing it because there are things. Okay, so you can see that there is longitude versus latitude versus housing median is. So it is actually giving the quite good graph. So we can see here a lot of graphs are there. So let's have a see on the data structure. So first do it. do this thing, what we'll do is just paste it up here and housing.info. So it will actually give the info that there are, you can see that 0 to 9 is the 10 columns. It is 0 to now 9. These are the 10 columns. These are the types float 64, and at the last type here, this is the object type. And you can see here that total bedrooms are 20,433, and other data is there 20,640. It means that some data is missing in the total bedroom. You can see here, and the memory usage is 1.6 MB. Okay, not a big issue. So this was the thing. This is giving you some info about your data set. So this is what the thing is. And the second is that all the attributes are numerical, but except of the ocean proximity, it's objected. It type is object, so it could hold any kind of Python object. So you can just see here, just see that this is actually the object type. Okay, these all are numericals. You can see here all are the numbers, but it is object. So now you can actually plot the graphs. So we'll just copy it and it will just plot the graph. Actually, we had plotted, but let's do it again with the code. So just do it. Okay. So this was the whole graphs. Now, if you want to you want to see any correlation between longitude, latitude, and you can say median house value, then we'll see. Okay, so you can just generate from here. Just click on the generate. Show me a graph. Show me a graph where we see the relation between latitude, longitude versus median price of house. So this is the median price, median house value. Okay. So you can just do it here and it will generate for you. Yeah. Click on the generate. It will actually generate the code for you. Just click on the run. So it will be running the code. So you can see here that here is the longitude, here is the latitude, and it is like, you can see that there is like 10. Okay, it is like it is 100,000. Okay, it is 100,000 value and 200,000 value is there. So fine. So it is the population actually. So you can see here that the most median house value prices are there. This minus 122 to like 36, 37. Okay, it is actually 37. Okay, yeah. So you can also generate the images like graphs from there, and you can see that. So you can just see two things, that the median income attributes doesn't look like it is expressed in the US dollars. So let's have a look on the median income. So you have to once see that, see every column that what is actually going on. So you can see that median income is there. So it is showing income 8, 8.3, 7.2, something. So like it is showing, but do you think that median income will be $8 or something like that? No, it will be not like that. So it is actually, I think, normalized the things. So what we'll do, um, we'll do make a graph. Is there any graph? Latitude, total rooms, longitude is there, median is there? No. Okay. So there are no graphs, total rooms, total bedroom, population. Okay. Median income graph is there. So you can see there that a 1500 is there, 1500 is there. So actually it is showing that it is capped. Okay, you can see here after checking with the team that collected data, you are told the data has been scaled it was actually scaled and capped at 15. It means that actually 15.001 for the higher median. Okay, so it means that 3 is actually means about $30,000. Okay, so this was the thing you have to see. Um, so these are some things that can be scaled, or some many histograms are skewed, right? So they extend much further to the right of the median than to the left. So it is like it was the actually downloading the data thing, and let's create a test set. So how actually we data split test train test split data. Okay, so you can just see here images that we actually split the data. Okay, yeah, this is the my favorite diagram. So you can see just here, and if you have 100% data, na, actually what we'll do that it will just I will just split in 70 15 for validation and 15 for testing. Okay, so this is actually that for the accuracy you can test it, for the validate you can validate it, and to train is the 70% data. So let's do it. So there is a one thing that you can do it from NumPy also by writing the codes, but we'll be doing it in a easy way. That there is a scalar model dot selection, and there it is the code here. So we'll be just pasting here, and you can see that we have made the train set and test set. So we'll be doing it test set dot info. Let's have a look. So you can say it is like count number is less actually, and for the training it is like 41, 41 to it, and for the train set, let's see. Okay, okay. So for train set there will be 80. There will be 16,512 data. So actually, you can see here from the model dot selection, you can see that import train test split. It is a very good function to do the test split, and it actually randomize the data also. Okay. So here the test set is actually 0.2, and the train set is going to be 0.8. 0.2 means it is 20%, and 0.8 means 80%. So we are passing the housing data here, and we are doing the train test split. Okay. So I hope you got these things, and this is um, actually the thing. Now it is your task to learn about the stratified sampling. That what it is. Just go and search on Google or uh, ChatGPT anywhere, and in the next video we'll be starting from here also. So fine, if you like this video, please comment below what you learned the things, and if you like this, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it to the people who are really interested in machine learning and to build something amazing in this world. Thank you so much.